What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's video, we'll be doing a quick crypto market overview, followed by Bitcoin news, all about the spot Bitcoin ETF going live today in the markets. Last but not least, we got some MultiversX updates, some top news of the day. I'm going to try to get this all into under 10 minutes for you guys. If you guys think it's interesting, stick around and I'll tell you all about it. All right, everyone, hopefully you're all having a great day today. Before we begin, smash that thumbs up button your way and consider subscribing if you aren't. Turn on the bell notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Easiest thing you guys can do to help support the channel. So I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try to do today's top stories, quick market overview, and some other MultiversX things I have towards the end of the video, all in under 10 minutes. I know I try to go at least 20 minutes or so in my videos, but I'm going to try to rapid fire this, try something new, and yeah, we'll go from there. And I also adjusted my mic settings. I know it's been cutting out, having some issues, so I kind of adjusted it. I don't think I'll be cutting out this video, but let me know in the comments if I am. But let's just jump right into it. Again, skip to whatever section you want. I do put timestamps on my videos and the pinned comment down below. So let's just jump right into it right now. So market is down about 0.25% the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin sitting at about 46,236. Down. I know we hit about $49,000. We spiked right up to it during the beginning of the spot Bitcoin ETF trading. And I think that's 2-year highs, which is pretty crazy. Top gainers last 24 hours. We got Demo up about 32%, ENS, Ethereum name service up about 30%, and SUI, or SU, forget how you say that, up about 23%, sitting about $1.06. Top losers of the day, we got Lido DAO token down about 8%, Origin Trail down about 8.06%, and Scale down about 7.38%, sitting at 9 cents. Jump on over to Crypto Bubbles. Looks like, again, a little bit more of a sea of green right now. Let me just make sure this is the daily. Yep, a little bit of red, but, you know, market stayed pretty neutral today, just down a little bit, even with the spot Bitcoin ETFs going live. Taking a look at my favorites right now, everything is green except ICP, which again, if you guys have been following my channel, last couple of videos, ICP is just kind of doing its own thing. Like when the markets are up, it's usually when ICP is down and vice versa. It seems like that seems to be what's going on today, the last 24 hours at least, currently at about a $12.87 ICP. Fear and Greed Index did go down a little bit from the previous day. We were in extreme greed yesterday. Today, we are now at a 71 greed. Stock markets ended the day, let's see, green for Dow Jones, NASDAQ, but the S&P did end the day in red. The pre-markets for tomorrow, all in the red. Stock futures a little change as investors are waiting some inflation data. DXY, do believe, has been trading sideways still in this channel. Not too much action going on right now. But again, if the DXY is down, that's usually when traditional and crypto markets are up and vice versa. But at least since around the 3rd of January, it's just been kind of going it's been going sideways pretty much, and it really hasn't been correlating to the crypto and traditional markets. Total crypto market cap currently doing pretty good, up about 1.72, or we're at 1.72 trillion. We were in this channel bouncing up and down for quite a while right now, but we finally broke out of it, and now I'm kind of seeing this top, actually the top of this channel's trend line now being a support for the total crypto market cap. You can see we kind of wicked down and just kind of bounced right off of it, and it's looking good right now. Just keep an eye on that one. Looks like the beginning of a potential Elliott wave, 0, 1, 2, 3, that we could have playing out, 4, 5. I don't know. Just something I'm looking at. Bitcoin dominance right now. We did kind of peak out here around the 9th of January at about a 55.24%, but we've been kind of on a little downtrend, currently at about a 52.55% for Bitcoin dominance. Usually when Bitcoin dominance is low, that's when you kind of see your altcoins make it a run for it. All right, so talking about Bitcoin, currently at about $46,377. We finally had the spot Bitcoin ETFs go live today in the traditional markets, and man, we made some records. You guys can see here, Bitcoin ETFs begin trading earlier today. We did spike to about 49,000 USD, which is Bitcoin's largest highs in over the last 2 years that we've had, so that's good to see. Let's jump into some tweets, some highlights of today. So the Bitcoin ETF trading volume hit about 4.6 billion, breaking records. The gold ETF, it took about 2 years to get to 1.5 billion in assets under management. The Bitcoin AUM is going to crush that. So you guys can see the 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs here that went live, with Grayscale Bitcoin being number one at about 2.3 billion, the BlackRock at about a little over $1 billion, and Fidelity about 712 million. Here's a little bit better visual on the graphs right here. You guys can see, but yeah, it's absolutely crazy that we had that much volume. And what's to come? This is just the beginning. Imagine like the next, the next year, 5, 10 years, what we're going to see for this. Absolutely insane. Now, with all that being said, we had Coinbase. It did over $7 billion in OTC, over-the-counter trades. So usually when there's a lot of big volume going around, Coinbase or exchanges currently set limits. So they're kind of like an intermediary person that deals with these trades. So over 7 billion. So that kind of blows away the spot Bitcoin ETF total volume for the day. But yeah, thought that was a pretty interesting fact. Another huge thing that we had going on today is Vanguard's losing customers by the boatloads because they won't allow their clients to buy Bitcoin ETFs with their own money. Can you imagine that? You need their permission to buy something with your money. If you don't approve of what you're buying, you can't do it. Bitcoin fixes this. And then he talks about Vanguard's logos is a ship. Look at the ship. Everyone's taking all of their funds off of Vanguard and moving it to Fidelity or whatever other spot Bitcoin ETFs where they actually let you buy it. Shout out to Vanessa Harris. I had her on my channel a couple times, and her tweet went a little viral here, but she moved all of her funds off of Fidelity, or moved off of Vanguard and into Fidelity, and she said it only takes about 5 minutes, but on your way out, make sure you guys give a little feedback. So with all this craziness and all this pushback, for now, Vanguard's saying that they're not going to allow it, but who knows, maybe down the road with all this backlash. Also, not only Vanguard, it's going to be Merrill Lynch, which is owned by Bank of America, is also not allowing customers to buy spot Bitcoin ETFs, Fox Business reports. We also had Van Eck releasing a new spot Bitcoin ETF commercial today, and the quote here being, "Bitcoin may help guard against government devaluing your money."
It's not a defiance of finance. Bitcoin may help guard against the government devaluing your money.
So that's kind of crazy to say. Man, how corrupt the government is when you have these large institutions saying quotes like that. So that happened in that commercial. Last but not least, I'll leave you guys with this. The Bitcoin ETF was listed as number 5 on Mad Magazine's 20th Dumbest Things of 2013. This is 2013. Look at this. You guys all remember Mad Magazine? Look where Mad Magazine is today. They're dead. And look what Bitcoin did today. Over $4 billion in the spot Bitcoin ETF launch. Crazy, huh? All right, last but not least, jumping into a little bit of MultiversX news. Top highlights of the day. Currently looking at about a $57.52 MultiversX, formerly EGLD, up about 1.4% the last 24 hours. We got the Onefinity bridge finally live with Solana. The OneDex, they are now bridged to Solana. They do have their one token, which is going to be going live tomorrow at 2000 UTC, or I do believe this is around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this token is a hidden gem in my opinion, not financial advice. It has a super low market cap. I think it's about like $2 million or something crazy like that. But potentially with all this volume and the bridge to Solana and all the degens coming in, this token could potentially take off. So again, this is OneDex, which is a part of Onefinity chain. And yeah, MultiversX to Solana bridge. Here it is right here. All you do is connect your MultiversX wallet, and then you connect your Solana wallet, and then you can just swap back and forth between it. And then also we're going to have Super Rare Bears rare tokens going to be connecting, and I think there's going to be a whole slew of other ones that'll be connecting from MultiversX to Solana and vice versa. So you got those interoperability, you got the bridges going on, which is good to see. And then finally, be careful when you are connecting your Solana wallets. And that being said, the Phantom wallet, this guy made this post, and this is the Phantom collects this user activity data from you. Well, this says, for example, network monitoring, clicks, mouse position, scroll, and keystroke logging. Ugh, this guy's kind of backing out from at least downloading the Phantom. But just kind of read the details. You can see the privacy details here for the MultiversX DeFi wallet, the X Portal app, which doesn't collect any of that data. So just keep an eye on that if you guys are connecting a Solana wallet. I know, it makes you think. And then last but not least, here was a quick vote about what will the one token launch in Solana exchange will it affect the price? Will it pump 5 to 10x? Will it dump? I just kind of clicked here, but it says the majority of people think it's going to pump 5 to 10x. So who knows what's going to happen, guys. But that's going to do it for me. Just at 10 minutes right now. Man, stuck to my word. So if you guys like something rapid fire like this, top news of the day, market overview, Bitcoin news, and maybe a little bit of ICP, some of the different altcoins that I talk about, MultiversX, towards the end of the video, top highlights. If you like that, let me know. I know some people think I talk really fast, which I probably did for this video, especially for, different foreign people where English is not your first language, which probably was a little confusing. I can slow it down a little bit so I can stretch it out to maybe 20 minutes, which is about average for my videos. Just let me know in the comments down below what you guys all think about that. I can continue to make these, but this is just kind of an experiment video, just kind of blasting through the market, top crypto news, and then whatever else I feel like talking about. So again, guys, hopefully you guys appreciate this video. If you don't mind smashing that thumbs up button on your way out, consider subscribing. If you're not, turn the bell notifications so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Easiest thing, again, you guys can do to help support the channel. So that's going to do it for me, guys. And I have all next week off, so I should be doing a lot more videos, hopefully to do some more live streams. Maybe I'll go live with Six Figs on Friday night, tomorrow night, the 12th of January. Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. Thank you, guys. Stay safe out there. Crypto Airborne, out.